आदरणीय सभापति महोदय,
सर,
मैं आपके प्रति अपना आभार व्यक्त करती हूं।
कृपया शांत
आपने
कृपया शांत।
माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण के धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव में मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। अभी जब मैं आपके समक्ष खड़ी हूं तो बहुत प्रसिद्ध दो पंक्तियां याद कर रही हूं। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा। हम सब ने फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार का नारा दिया था और जनता के आशीर्वाद ने और जनता की दुआओं ने इस नारे को यथार्थ में परिणत किया। सेवा, सुशासन और गरीब कल्याण विचारधारा को आधार करके तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार भारत देश की जनता की सेवा में जुट चुकी है। यह कहते हुए फक्र हो रहा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पूर्ण बहुमत ओडिशा राज्य में, जहां से मैं आती हूं, वहां हासिल की और अभी ओडिशा राज्य में लोगों की सेवा का कार्य हमने शुरू कर दिया और 18वीं लोकसभा का जो यह मेरा वक्तव्य है, यह भुवनेश्वर लोकसभा के अधिवासियों, मेरे भाइयों और बहनों के प्रति मैं समर्पित करती हूं, जिन्होंने दूसरी बार मेरे ऊपर आस्था दिखाई और मुझे लोकसभा भेजा। Respected Chairman, sir, since yesterday I have been sitting here and I have been hearing all the opposition leaders, one after the other. They all have been accusing BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, of spreading hatred and violence in the country. Bharatiya Janata Party is being projected as a political party which has sinister designs and which is creating disharmony in the society. Dear friends from both the sides, the 5th largest economy in the world and its GDP does not grow at around 8%, which was in 23-24 per annum, with a kind of doomsday bleak scenario that all of you are painting about the country. This happens, we become 5th largest economy and our GDP grows at around 8%. Because there is good governance in the country, there is peace in the country and there is stability in the country. We must understand this. If we have seen record exports of $780 billion in 23-24, if India has become the 2nd largest exporter of mobile phones in the world, if India has emerged as the biggest exporter of rice in the world, if the Indian engineering goods are finding place in the nooks and corners of the world, if the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex points cross 79,000, then my dear friends, it does not happen in a society ripped by violence and hatred. It happens in a society where there is strong, able, decisive, efficient government. And that is why we all need to acknowledge this particular aspect. Our government has been pursuing the setting up of IIMs, IITs, NISER, all across the country with, I would say, a single-minded devotion. The government has been spending around rupees 10 lakh crore on infrastructure development every year. And I must tell you that because of this infrastructure development focus, we have been able to get in a lot of private investments, and I'm delighted as a part of the government, as a part of Modi ji's team, that today 27% of the GDP is the private investment in our country. This particular figure This 27% was down by 6% in 2016. It's going up every day because we are trying to create a very positive environment in the country. Private investments are coming. Infrastructure development is taking place. There is a lot of stability, a lot of peace in the country. My dear friends, I have heard, in fact, I have been hearing all the while I've been sitting here and hearing all of you. One after the other, you have been accusing the government of Prime Minister Modi as regards the price rise, the inflation. I'm delighted that Honorable Finance Minister, for whom I have tremendous regard and respect, is sitting here. The opposition leaders have been talking about inflation, price rise in the country. I'm giving you data. Let's talk with figures. Let's talk with data. Let's talk with statistics. Dear friends, only 2 months back, sugar was selling at rupees 120 per kg in the neighboring countries, whereas our government could manage to keep it between rupees 35 to rupees 40 per kg. When onion was selling at rupees 100 to 120 per kg abroad, our government was good enough, efficient enough, able enough, prompt enough to manage to keep it between rupees 30 to rupees 35 per kg, the price of the onion. Because of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, when the wheat was selling in global market at rupees 40 to 45 per kg, our efficient government brought it down to 20 to 25 rupees per kg. My dear friends, instead of appreciating the government efforts at controlling the prices, despite very adverse, very volatile geopolitical situation, I heard a number of opposition leaders cribbing about the price rise, not appreciating the role of the government in handling these crucial matters. Friends, while pursuing the goals of Viksit Bharat by 2047, I would urge the honorable leaders of the opposition to be positive, to give concrete ideas, offer solutions, rather than indulge in mudslinging. This government of Prime Minister Modi has been moving with a lot of purpose and steadfastness, and I would definitely like to bring to your kind knowledge that all the ministries have been asked to prepare that 100 days action plan, and we are all moving with heart within and God overhead towards creating a better India, towards creating the developed India that we all have been talking about. We are talking of economic development, we are talking of strategy for women, poor, youth, and farmers. Friends, we are on our way to becoming a 5 trillion economy by 2027, despite your negativity and pessimism. We have been able to provide 4 crore houses. In the last 10 years, 10 crore women have been integrated with the self-help groups. 3 crore Lakhpati Didis are coming in the country. They are actually being promoted. 100% saturation approach is being adopted as far as water supply system is concerned, provisioning of water supply system is concerned. So I think we all need to be positive. We all need to give concrete solutions. We all need to be part of the development process. We are all moving towards Viksit Bharat by 2047.
Thank you.
मैं अपने वक्तव्य को समाप्त करने के पहले निश्चित तौर पर एक वाक्य हिंदी में कहना चाहूंगी। साजिशें लाखों बनती है मेरी हस्ती मिटाने की, बस दुआएं सबकी इसे मुकम्मल होने नहीं देती। I support the motion of thanks tabled by Sri Anurag Thakur ji. Many, many thanks.